Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna redesign Shopify homepage. So currently we have previous day we have set up the layout, so currently we're just gonna design. Okay, so let me show you our current look website. So you can see just we have set up the first of all we'll have the banner, the collection list, and also after that we'll have product and then banner again, the pickup to our best selling, something like that, customer review and our collection, and some icon with the text with the customer build trust and Instagram feed, FAQs, this kind of stuff. Okay, so in this video I'm just gonna set up all the stuff. Okay, so you need to add the 1 2 3 4 5 6 collection and 7 collection. So based on our products, how I should create the collection name, let me show you using ChatGPT. Okay, so let's open the ChatGPT first, and then I will preview my website, and after that I will scroll down a little bit. I'm gonna go a very bottom, absolutely very bottom. So not here, over here. So 1 second, let me scroll down a little bit. Let me find out the collection, which you can see the body wear, Wagos body wear. So I'm gonna copy all the product. Okay. So Wagos body wear. So I have to find out all the product shop. Wagos body wear. So for that I have to go to the store. Okay, so let's go to the product and collection, and you can see total we got 8 orders so far. Well, so let's click the collection, and then I'm gonna go to the Wagos bodywear, and then we have a 12 product. Okay, so I'm gonna copy each name. So let's copy each name. You can say I cannot copy from here, but I can view this. Okay, let's view the collection. Then I can copy all the product from the collection. You can see still. Okay, so from here what I can do basically, so let's go to the collection, and you can see all the products. So let's take a screenshot, and then I will give ChatGPT. Okay, so those are my product. Okay, so give me all the title. ChatGPT will give me all the title to me, then I'm gonna copy paste. Okay, so I will ask ChatGPT, based on my all the product, would you could you give me 6 CULLEC collection, and also mention under the CULLEC what products will have. Okay, so ChatGPT will mention the which product will go under which collection. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT giving me a lot of collections, so I'm just gonna create a collection with this product. Okay, so let's click with the body shape and first, and first of all go to my store. So let's connect each collection first. The best selling main version shameless, let's connect this one. So let's move into the next one, which is shameless. This one I have connected fashion, women fashion, and style active. This is the next one. Now let's move into integrate 1 2 3 4 5 6 collection. Okay, so let's go to the let's create extra 6 collection. Okay, so let's go to the collection Shopify, and then after that you have to click the create collection and give the name, collection name, and then go to the Shopify, give the name, and then browse the product, and then go to the again ChatGPT, copy each name, and after that what you have to do, so all you have to do just paste it here over here and click here and then click the add. Okay, so this way you have to add each product. So let's do it for each one. So let's click the done, and let's do it. Let's click here and let's go. So let's paste it here, and then the product will show up here, and then same thing I'm gonna do it for each one. So let's paste it here, so you can see all the product have been added. So right now I'm gonna click the save. So this collection which I have done it. Okay, so for that let's click here, and then let's paste the collection name. Sorry, not this one. So let's paste the collection name, which is, let's copy the collection name from here. So let's copy it and go here and then paste it here. Okay, so this collection name will show up here. So you can see this has been connected, the two images same. So for that, we click here and click the manual and then show the different image like this one. I will show up. So okay, so same thing. Let's click the save and then let's go to the next collection. Let's click the next collection. This one, jumps play suite. Let's click and create collection. I'm gonna create another collection from here. So let's click in and let's click from here. And then again I'm gonna copy again all the titles. So let's remove this one because currently next this is my section, this is my store, so I will have to customize later, but first of all I have to start the product. Okay, so you can see each product coming here, so I'm just gonna connect. Okay, so let's copy the last we have a remaining last 3 products, so let's copy paste and then this way I'm gonna do it. So let's do it for this one. So let's go here and let's paste it and then it will come, select. Let's do it for the next one. So let's go here and then paste it. So you can see it's coming. So we have created, but I will keep manual and then I will show the best images like this one. Manual save. First of all we need to click the save, then we can make it manual. Okay, so you can see it's manual. So let's show this image first. Okay, that's complete. So now let's create the another collection. Let's click the create collection. So you click the this product is very less this one. So let's go here, click here and then click the save and then copy each products like before and then just paste it here and then it will show here. Okay, click save, done, and then copy for the next one. So done. So same thing I'm gonna do it for this one. Okay, so you can see all the products have been completed. So right now I will show different image. So okay, so let's show this image for now. So let's click the another collection. This is the last collection I am creating sports and so let's click on over here and go to the collection name and paste all the product. All the product means 2 product only available here. So let's paste it and select it from here and do it for the next one. So let's paste it. Okay, so this way I'm gonna let's copy also this name because there are only 1 product. We can add that. Okay guys, so that's complete. So let's click save and then this collection I'm gonna add into my website. Okay, so let's click this one. Let's go this collection name, copy this collection name, copy the collection name and paste it on over here. Okay, so we can also give title, and if you don't give title it automatically get from the okay. Well, so guys, let's move on to the next one. So let's copy the collection name and paste it on the store. Okay, so let's click the select collection, paste it here. So this collection will show up here. So I'm going to select and then do it for the next one. Let's see what collection I've created. Jump and body wear. So let's copy this one. Jump and copy and paste it on select collection, paste the product, and then it will go uploaded. Okay, same thing I'm gonna do it for the next one. So you can see this done. That's one also keep it. So it's time to put a customize the testimonial. So I will ask ChatGPT be based on my all the Shopify product, give me 5 reviews. Okay, with name so let's copy this name first and then I'm gonna click the testimonial section. First of all, what I can do, testimonial title. So let's go here. The testimonial title is this one. So let's paste it on over here. Testimonial title. That's the title. Okay. So let's copy here and then copy this and then paste it on over here under the text. Okay. So that's this way I'm gonna complete. So I'll say the text, the product and name will be as and smaller so that its looks will be more good. Okay, So now I think that's gonna be great. So I'm gonna add that into my store, and yeah, you can see all the given. So would you like to know 5 people? But no, I don't need. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy the name, product name. Then I'm gonna paste it over here, and same thing. And now you can see this looks good than before. Okay. So let's go come again and then copy that and then paste. Yeah, remove this one because there's no need for now. So let's paste it. Okay. So let's do it. So it's time to add the image. Okay. So and I'm gonna select the image. So let's add the beautiful button here. So let's do it for the next one. So let's copy here again and then copy the long this. So let's paste it on over here, title, and then I'm gonna copy the review and then paste it on over here. And then it's time to upload the image. So let's copy this and then I can download image from Google. So that's gonna be great for me. So you can see a lot of images exactly available here. So I can click here and then click here, and then it will take to the website, and I can easily download from here also. So let's put the save as, but that's what not gonna be great. So I can download from here. Okay, so let's download, click the save as image, so it's also will move better. Okay, so let's upload this image into over here. Okay, so let's drag and drop. You can see it's getting uploaded, and it's time to add the caption. So how I can do that? So for that we can go again to ChatGPT and then copy the name and then go again here and then paste it here. Give me also city name. Give me also city name. ChatGPT asks give me also city name. Okay, and then also you can explore there. So you can see this is the great store. They have a beautiful product, and you can make it similar like them, but in my store also everything okay. Yeah, that's good. So let's go to our website, and then you can see ChatGPT given us. Let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT given us some state. Okay, so let's copy the state name, paste it over here, and it's too big. Let's take some of the space. Let's remove this space. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So guys, it's time to add our next review. So you can see I have added 2 reviews so far. So for that I have to go to the ChatGPT again, and then let's move into it. So you can see the top of that have a review. So what I'm gonna do here, basically I'm gonna copy this name, and then I have to confirm the quantity so that I can use this for the multiple times here. If I use any review multiple time, I think that's not gonna be great. Okay, so in this case we have to be careful. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna paste it over here, and same thing what I can do, and I'm gonna copy the review name and also the country, and I'm gonna paste it on over here. Okay, add a caption, and then under the for the country I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna paste it on over here. Okay, so you can say I pasted here. So let's delete unnecessary space. So now it's time to add the image. So for that let's search on Google of the image. So you can see that the image. So let's click this one and click the image, and I'm gonna go to the website. So and then you can see there's a website. So I'm gonna copy that. So let's accept all. Click here. I cannot. Okay, so let's click the save, and then let's click the save option from here. That's a different format. So you can see ABIF to PNG convert. So you can see everything have an alternative option. So just you need to find out. Okay, so let's upload the image like this one, and then this website will convert into the PNG. Okay, so you can see it's converting. So yeah, so you can see it takes some time to convert to PNG, so it's still uploading. Okay, so maybe it's a big file, so that's why it's taking time. Let's click convert, and then it will take for a while, so until yeah, it's been converted. So let's click the download, and it's time to upload it into our store. So for that, let's try and drop just only I have nothing to do. That's the thing. Okay, so you can see the results have been uploaded, but it's scoping. Okay, so for that, what I can do, I will take a specific size of the image. Okay, so you can see since it's too big, so that's why it's not showing here. Okay, so no problem, I'm gonna upload that. So let's upload the next testimonial. So let's go again ChatGPT, but we got another competitor site. Those are all my competitor site. So when I find the competitor site, it will be easier to make my design more faster and easier. Okay, so yeah, let's delete our unnecessary tabs, so it will be easier to design. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, yoga. So let's Ctrl F, Ctrl B. Okay, well, so let's paste it on over here. Testimonial title. Control window B, and then go to again ChatGPT, copy the review, paste it under the text. Okay. So it's time to add the caption. So to add the caption, let's paste it on caption over here. So let's copy this name, this city. Okay, so why it's taking too much space, we need to delete that. So it's time to add the image. Okay, so and then also we can find the image from our store. So let's click here, and then we can paste it here, and we can take image from over here. Okay, so let's take this. We have both options, so that's depend on which one we take, and then also we should click on this one, because you can see this image is not clear. So for that, let's try to find out the image that have into my website, and I will try to find from my product. Okay, so let's paste it over here, then it will take for a while, and then let's paste it. And then you can see this kind of product already existing in my store. So let's add this product, and let's see how this is adjusting here. So you can see this adjustment good, so I will keep it like that. Now it's time to do the last one. So let's go again ChatGPT. So you can see I didn't maybe use this one. Let's try to find out. Control F, Control B. You can see I already used it. So yeah, I should ask ChatGPT, give me one more. Give me one more reviews. Okay, reviews. Okay, ChatGPT will give me one more review, and at this point I'm gonna again just turn it first. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT AI for best way for the Shopify. I think you can solve a lot of problem. Okay, so that's why you must need to understand that how to use ChatGPT for your business, for your whatever you need exactly. Okay, so at this point, right now in this case we need the caption name. Copy that and then paste it over here, and cut out the city, and then paste it over here. Control A, Control B, and then remove all the unnecessary space. Okay, so you can see it's time to upload the Control A, Control C, Control select product, search, and now it will be uploaded here. Okay, so let's select it, and then you can see this product has been come. So I'm gonna click this one, and then let's wait for more second. So you can see it's been uploaded. That's the main thing, guys. So you can see I have uploaded this. So I hope you will completely like the video. So if you don't like, please let me know, and then I will definitely try to paint every content as you want. Okay, so guys, some video, something I should make it 4-star 3-star, because everyone is gonna give the 5-star. Okay, so that's why some star I should make like 3-star, 2-star, something like that. And let's try to add a heading. So let's see if they added the description. Then we can add any reviews for all products. Okay, So let's click shop this, and then I'm gonna see that is there added the review on the product pages. You can see they have written they have used a apps, maybe that's, I'm not sure. Yes. Okay guys, so we should explore the or and then this. So I think from the Google you should find out some image or banner or whatever it is. So let's try to find out. So the size is not good and size is not available. So for the we can add the woman at the end of the. So from here we can like filter. So let's scroll and the size and color type. So guys, it's time to take time to wait for my graphic designer. So we're gonna create a banner because those banners didn't go yet. So he's gonna create banner with my brand color. So currently you can see that. So guys, I have downloaded two image for the banner for now because we have to wait until our graphic designer not ready. So let's use one of the image. So I think this one or this one is good. So let's use this one for now, and then I'm gonna add also text and lot of stuff. Okay. So it's time to add the heading and subheading, button, all this stuff, as well as one more stuff which is like banner height will be fixed. And also for the mobile version, let's see how the looks of the banner. So that I will repeat this one for the mobile version also. So now it's time to add the opacity. That will be more good. The text will show properly. So I will keep this, and I want to the content horizontal position, left, right, center, top. I want to keep a bottom, and I will keep it like that. Or you can see, and I need to give some padding. Okay, so padding of the mobile version, vertical padding. Okay, so I will, let's keep a little bit more padding. Okay, so I will keep it left, add more padding. Now I think it's good. Okay, so let's click the save option, and then I'm gonna change the text on it. So you can see I have done few change multiple places. Let's click the save. So and then also we are talking with the support team. I have removed it. Can you please double check? Okay, so you can see we used a theme apps there. You can see that they powered by Omi theme. So I said I discussed with their support team. They are removed. So let's refresh it, and you can see it's have gone from here. Okay, so now our store looks more clean and more good. So I will keep it like that. And first of all we need a banner. So the if I get a banner, so I think my store looks a little more great. Okay, so I need to make it a little bit bigger height. You can see this banner size not showing properly, so let's make it a little bit bigger. So how I can make it? So banner height, let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, let's click the save, and then let's refresh again. Let's see the current look. Okay, so it still didn't save. Now if I refresh it, it will be changed. So now you can see it's have been changed. So now it looks not bad, it's good. So you can make it a little bit smaller because it's taking whole screen, so I don't want that. So let's make it a little bit smaller, not too much. Okay, perfect. So let's keep it like that. So we are just chatting with the support team. It's also important, you know. So let's refresh, go to the again preview mode, and then let's refresh it again. Then you will see the look. Okay. So if I refresh it, you can scroll down, you can see, but still it's popping. Okay, so I need to show the size. Okay, and so otherwise it looks not gonna be great. So let's make it 600. Let's save it. And parallax effect, we can also show some effect. So if I click the effect, let's see what happened. Okay, let's go to store, and And also if I, since I given the parallax effect, so that's why it's showing bad way, so I'm not gonna keep like that. So let's refresh it again. First of all, it need to be refreshed here, so and then later on if you refresh here, then it will be changed. Okay, so you can see I need to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so not too much. 650 is good, 60 is good. So let's try this out, and then let's click the save, and then again I need to go to the store, and then let's refresh it again. You can see it's still, it's copying because I'm making a mistake. There will be not 500, there will be 600. Sorry about that, guys. So let's click save again. Okay, perfect, guys. Now I believe that it will show proper way. So for now, let's refresh it, and then you can see it's showing proper way, but image looks not good. So let's change the text. I will change it later. Let's change the image for now of this one. So I will duplicate it. Duplicate it, and let me keep it at the very top, and then I will remove the current. I will remove the current one. Okay, so let's remove the current one. So let's remove this one, and then here I'm gonna add another image. Okay, so let's please change, and I'm gonna add this image. Okay, so let's refresh it, and then you can see this looks like that, but text should be here. Okay, so let's make the text the left, and that will be center. Okay, so and then we need to add some left and right padding. So you get the particle padding. It's for mobile, so I'm gonna change this one. Okay, perfect. So let's click the save option, and then let's see the old store look. So let's click the override changes. And let's refresh it here, and then go to the very top. But the text should be very, the text should be bigger. Okay, so and also we need to make it little bit less darker. Opacity will be decreased a little bit, not too much, it's too much. So let's scroll down, opacity, let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, perfect, guys. You can see it showing proper way, so I will keep it like that. But for this one, I will keep it like that. Okay, so let's click the save option for a while. So first of all, let's click the save, and it's time to change the text section. Okay, so let's go ChatGPT. So I will say, my all the product. Now could you could you give me some HE hero section, HEA heading, and SUV HEA heading, so that customer buy our product also will PR your trust. Let's enter it, and let's see exactly what happened. So absolutely ChatGPT will give in me heading. So let's click the save option, and then let's change the text. So for that I have to click the heading first, and then later on let's paste it here, and let's delete that, but this text will be H2. Okay, perfect, guys. So it's time to add the heading. So for the heading, I will go subheading. I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna paste it on the subheading. So let's click here, and then let's just change the text, and then for the shop now button, and let's click the button and click shop now, and then this link will be all the product. Okay, so let's link up with the all product. So currently one thing I noticed that it's too much bigger. Okay, let's go to the website, and then let me refresh it here. So let's go to website, and then let's refresh it here. So you can see it's too big. So I will say that the COD is up HE, don't like, I can say do not like, give me more BETT better. Okay, so okay, so now you can see that I'm gonna use also this one. So this heading and subheading I'm gonna use for the next button, next banner. Okay, so let's click the heading, and let's paste it here, and then you can see here this space. So I don't like this space, let's remove this space, and use custom font. So I don't want to use custom font. So okay, so let's go again ChatGPT, and then copy this subheading, and let's click here, and then subheading will be more short. Okay, I can use only this one. Okay, so let's go here and let's paste it over here. Let's also remove this one. Okay, so let's click the save, and now it's time to link up the button. Okay, so let's link up with the all the product and click the product. Okay, so let's click the save, and now you can see it's worked properly, but I want to change the button text. Okay, so the button color will be, if I make it black or white, let's say whatever, but black is okay, so let's try to make it white. So the button background color is white, the button background text color, border color, what the text color, button colors, the text color will button color, the text color. Let's try to find out the text color. Over color will be little bit like that, and I want to change the button border color, over color, shadow color. I have to change the button text color. Okay, so let's try to find out the text color. If I find the text color, the button, yeah, this is the text color maybe. Yeah, let's click here, and then you can see it's been changed. Okay, so I will click the save. Maybe support team also working on my theme, that's why here showing like override change. So let's do it for the same thing for this one. So the text, first of all we need to change the text for woman from write it shortly. Okay, ChatGPT will write shortly for me the heading. I can use only this one. Test it. Let's click the save option, and then let's preview it, and then let's see how is this look. Okay, so you can see this looks good. And also if I could give the break, I think that could be more good. So there is no option. Okay, so I can see here the options to break. So let's go here and then refresh it again. So you can see this looks good. And then also I want to give all in one day, all day comfort. So the break will be not here, so let's all day. Let's click the save. Now let's preview again, all the comfort, but I want to change this one also. So let's click this heading, and then let's try to change. Okay, let's click the save option, and then let's go here and then let's refresh it. Okay, you can see it's been changed also, so I will keep it like that. And yeah guys, that's the main thing. This one also done. So if I could make it a little bit bigger, that looks will be more good. So let's try to make it bigger. The font size will be like 28. Okay, so let's keep it like not this one, this one is okay. 28 is okay. So let's just try to change this one, and this one will be font size, heading size. The heading size, let's make it in 45. Okay, let's click the save option, and then let's go again and let's refresh it, and then you can see it's also working here and also working here. So yeah, I will keep it like that. So guys, that's our store. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So in future, whatever content you're looking for, let me know. And also we are FAQ remaining to design, so I will do it, no problem. So yeah, it's just copy paste matter, so I will do it by later on. So guys, that's our store. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in the future whatever content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box, and then I will definitely try to create content as you want. So again, thank you so much for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.